This is Short Bible Stories, where ancient words come alive. In just a few minutes, journey through powerful moments of faith, courage, and redemption. The Bible, one short story at a time. In the vast tapestry of biblical prophecy, the threads pointing to Jesus Christ are both numerous and profound. These ancient forecasts, originating centuries before his birth, frame a narrative that has captivated believers for millennia. Let us journey into the heart of these prophetic words. It begins in Genesis, where the Bible first whispers of a coming Savior. Genesis 3:15 speaks of the seed of the woman, destined to crush the serpent's head, hinting at the Messiah's victory over sin and evil. Moving forward, we find the promise to Abraham in Genesis 12:3, declaring that through his offspring, all nations would be blessed. This promise would echo through the lineage of Isaac and Jacob, narrowing down to the tribe of Judah. In Genesis 49 verse 10, we see Judah being marked with destiny, as the scepter would not depart from him until the coming of the one to whom it belongs. The prophetic trail leads us to Isaiah, a book packed with Messianic imagery. In Isaiah 7:14, the virgin birth is foretold, proclaiming that a virgin will conceive and bear a son named Emmanuel, meaning God with us. Isaiah again in 9 verse 6-7 describes a child born unto us, a son given, whose government and peace will never end. This passage is referenced during Christmas, resonating with the story of Jesus' humble birth and divine mission. Isaiah 53 is another vivid depiction, revealing a suffering servant who would be pierced for our transgressions, a foreshadowing of Christ's sacrificial death. Psalm 22 provides a hauntingly accurate picture of the crucifixion, describing the Messiah's hands and feet being pierced, a prophecy that would find fulfillment on the cross. In Micah 5:2, the tiny town of Bethlehem is singled out as the birthplace of a ruler whose greatness would reach to the ends of the earth. Zechariah offers insights as well, predicting in Zechariah 9 verse 9 that the Messiah would arrive in Jerusalem, humble and riding on a donkey. The book of Daniel, in its cryptic symbolism, outlines the Messiah's arrival and subsequent cutting off in Daniel 9:24-26, pinpointing the timing of Jesus' ministry and sacrificial death. Daniel 9 verse 24-26 gives a timeline that many believe corresponds with the arrival of the Anointed One, leading to his eventual death and the theological significance it bore. Not to be overlooked, Psalm 16:10 speaks of God not letting his Holy One's seed decay, connecting to the resurrection claim central to Christian faith. These prophecies across various books of the Old Testament converge to form a cohesive narrative that Christians argue unmistakably points to Jesus as the awaited Messiah. Through the lens of faith, they are viewed not as random or isolated predictions, but as a divinely orchestrated revelation of God's plan for humanity's redemption through Jesus Christ. These prophetic passages are more than history. They are a testament to a divine promise fulfilled through Jesus Christ, the awaited Messiah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this story of faith. More biblical moments coming soon.